Okay, speaking part two. Describe a quiet place you like to spend your time in. This is in present tense.
Yes.
Please.
Well, nowadays it is hard to find a place where you can find quietness because of the fast-paced life. But there are places where I find myself very calm and there is no noise. This one of these places are mosques, which is attached to a library, and I mostly go there once every day. It is situated 3 kilometers away from the road. That's why there is no noise of the traffic. But uh, there is no noise of the traffic, and I mostly go there with my family and friends. And we, after offering my prayer, I do sit there for some time and have my connection spiritually to the God. And I also do some voluntary work, like I would clean the floor of the mosques, and sometime I do read some books along with the holy book of our religion. And I also serve the free food every week. And
Okay, thank you very much. Just try to focus your fluency,
yes,
connectivity of ideas. Otherwise, it's fine. You're speaking well.
right.
Now, we have speaking part three. Is it hard to find quiet places in cities?
Yes, I think so. It is hard due to urbanization in cities. Because of this, people are going to Kumrat as well as Swat, and unfortunately, these places are also crowded as well.
This answer is short. You need to add some more
Right.
and mainly focus. It is hard to find quiet places. Don't focus me, okay?
Right.
All right. Good job. Thank you.